Over 60, just 5 grams of this daily can help reduce inflammation, shrink fat, and support muscle. Doctor explains why. Over 60, your body no longer responds to food and supplements the same way it did at 40. What once required large amounts now responds better to small, precise signals. And today, I want to talk about one simple daily habit, just 5 grams, that can quietly change how your body heals. This isn't a drug, and it's not a miracle cure. It's something your body already understands, but only when used correctly after 60. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest hidden drivers of pain, stiffness, and slow recovery as we age. At the same time, stubborn fat becomes harder to lose, even when eating less, and muscle loss continues silently, even in seniors who walk every single day. In this video, you'll learn 3 powerful benefits of using the right 5 grams daily. First, how it helps calm low-grade inflammation that damages joints and organs over time. Second, how it supports fat reduction by improving metabolic signals instead of forcing restriction. And third, how it helps preserve muscle communication, which is critical for strength and independence after 60. One of the options we'll discuss, especially number 2, is something many seniors already use, but in the wrong way. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from today and how old are you this year? And one simple question, are you currently taking any powder, seed, or supplement every day? With that foundation in mind, let's explore the simple 5-gram options that work with your aging body instead of against it. Number 5, ground flaxseed. Ground flaxseed may look simple, but after 60, it becomes a powerful signal food that gently reduces inflammation without overwhelming digestion or stressing the liver and kidneys. Its soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which lowers inflammatory compounds that silently worsen joint pain, insulin resistance, and cardiovascular strain as we age. Unlike aggressive supplements, flaxseed works slowly, calming inflammation at the root instead of masking symptoms with short-lived relief. The omega-3 ALA in flaxseed helps rebalance inflammatory pathways that often stay chronically activated in older adults. This matters because low-grade inflammation quietly accelerates muscle breakdown and fat storage after 60. Flaxseed also improves blood sugar stability, reducing insulin spikes that drive stubborn belly fat even in seniors who eat modest portions. When insulin signals calm down, the body becomes more willing to release stored fat instead of clinging to it defensively. At the same time, flaxseed supports muscle indirectly by improving nutrient delivery and reducing inflammatory interference with muscle repair signals. The key is using ground flaxseed, not whole seeds, because grinding allows proper absorption without irritating the digestive tract. 5 grams is enough to trigger benefits without creating bloating, excessive fiber load, or mineral absorption issues common with higher doses. Taking more does not speed results and may actually stress digestion in sensitive older adults. Flaxseed works best when taken consistently, allowing cumulative benefits to build quietly over weeks rather than days. Many seniors notice improved bowel regularity first, followed by reduced stiffness and more stable energy levels. This gradual progression is a sign the body is adapting safely, not being forced into change. Used patiently, ground flaxseed becomes a foundation habit that prepares the body for deeper healing and better muscle preservation after 60. Number 4, chia seeds. Chia seeds are often labeled a superfood, but after 60, how you use them matters far more than how healthy they sound. These tiny seeds absorb many times their weight in liquid, which can either support digestion or quietly stress it if used incorrectly. When properly soaked, chia seeds release soluble fiber that slows digestion and reduces inflammatory blood sugar spikes common in older adults. This steady digestion helps calm low-grade inflammation that contributes to joint stiffness, fatigue, and metabolic slowdown after 60. Chia seeds also provide plant-based omega-3s that support cellular repair and reduce inflammatory signaling linked to muscle loss. However, many seniors use far too much, believing more chia means faster results, which can backfire quickly. Excess chia can overload the gut, interfere with mineral absorption, and create digestive stress that increases inflammation instead of reducing it. Dry or poorly soaked chia may swell inside the digestive tract, causing discomfort and blocking proper nutrient uptake. 5 grams, when fully soaked, is enough to trigger benefits without overwhelming an aging digestive system. At this dose, chia helps stabilize insulin, making it easier for the body to release stored fat safely. This matters because unstable insulin keeps fat locked in place, even when calories are reduced. Chia also indirectly supports muscle by improving nutrient timing and reducing inflammatory interference with muscle signaling. Used consistently, chia works quietly in the background, rather than creating dramatic but short-lived effects. Patience is essential because the benefits build through daily regulation, not sudden detox reactions. When respected as a precision food instead of a miracle cure, chia seeds become a gentle ally for inflammation control after 60. Number 3. Black garlic powder. Black garlic is not regular garlic, but a fermented form that transforms harsh compounds into gentle, highly active antioxidants ideal for aging bodies. Through fermentation, black garlic becomes easier to digest and far less irritating to the stomach than raw garlic. This matters after 60, when digestion weakens and inflammatory responses become more sensitive to strong foods. Black garlic powder helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of chronic inflammation and accelerated aging. Lower oxidative stress allows tissues, joints, and blood vessels to repair more efficiently instead of staying in constant damage mode. It also supports healthy circulation, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles and organs. Better circulation means muscles receive clearer repair signals, even without intense exercise. Black garlic has been shown to improve lipid metabolism, helping the body handle fats more efficiently, rather than storing them defensively. This supports gradual fat reduction, without triggering stress responses that worsen inflammation. At the same time, black garlic supports liver detox pathways, indirectly reducing the inflammatory burden placed on the entire system. 5 grams daily is enough to activate these benefits without overwhelming taste digestion or blood pressure. Higher amounts do not improve results and may interfere with medications or cause digestive discomfort in sensitive seniors. Consistency matters more than intensity, because black garlic works through cumulative cellular protection. Many seniors notice subtle improvements in energy, joint comfort, and circulation over several weeks. Used patiently, black garlic powder becomes a quiet regulator that supports inflammation control, fat metabolism, and muscle resilience after 60. Number 2. Turmeric powder. Turmeric is widely known for its anti-inflammatory properties, yet after 60, how it is used determines whether it truly helps or quietly fails. The active compound curcumin is powerful, but it is poorly absorbed unless combined with fat and used in the correct amount. Many seniors take turmeric in large doses expecting fast relief, not realizing excess offers no additional benefit and may irritate digestion. When absorbed properly, turmeric helps calm chronic inflammation that contributes to joint pain, stiffness, and slow muscle recovery. This reduction in inflammation allows muscles to respond better to movement and light exercise instead of staying in a constant breakdown state. Turmeric also influences fat metabolism by improving insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to release stored fat gradually. However, without fat, most turmeric simply passes through the body unused, creating false confidence without real physiological impact. 5 grams combined with healthy fat is enough to activate anti-inflammatory pathways without stressing the liver or gallbladder. Using more than this does not accelerate results and may interfere with medications or cause bloating in sensitive older adults. Turmeric works best when taken consistently rather than sporadically during pain flare-ups. Its benefits build quietly as inflammation markers decrease over time. Many seniors notice less morning stiffness and improved joint comfort after several weeks of steady use. This gradual change reflects deeper cellular regulation rather than surface-level symptom masking. Turmeric does not rebuild muscle directly, but it removes inflammatory barriers that block muscle maintenance after 60. Used precisely and patiently, turmeric becomes a supportive tool rather than a disappointing supplement trend. Number 1. Collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are often misunderstood because they do not directly build muscle, yet they play a critical supporting role after 60. As we age, collagen production declines, weakening tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues that muscles rely on to function properly. When connective tissue weakens, muscles receive poorer mechanical signals, accelerating age-related muscle loss, even in active seniors. 5 grams of collagen peptides daily helps restore structural support that keeps muscles engaged and responsive. This support reduces joint strain, allowing seniors to move more comfortably and maintain strength with less inflammation. Collagen also supports skin, bones, and blood vessels, creating a healthier internal environment for muscle preservation. Unlike high-protein powders, collagen peptides place minimal strain on kidneys and digestion when used in modest amounts. They are absorbed efficiently and used primarily for tissue repair rather than energy or excess waste production. Collagen works best when paired with light movement, sending a clear signal to the body to maintain functional strength. Over time, this combination helps slow sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss that accelerates after 60. Many seniors notice improved joint comfort first, followed by better movement confidence and stability. These changes reduce fall risk and support long-term independence more effectively than muscle-focused supplements alone. Collagen does not force growth, but it creates conditions where muscle can be preserved naturally. Taking more than 5 grams offers little added benefit and may displace other important nutrients. Used consistently and patiently, collagen peptides become one of the safest daily tools to support muscle resilience after 60. Over the years, I've watched many seniors search for big solutions when their bodies were quietly asking for smaller, steadier support. Aging doesn't mean your body stops responding. It simply responds differently than it once did. Gentle precision often heals more deeply than force or excess. If something feels sustainable, calm, and easy to repeat, it's usually a sign your body can work with it long term. With that understanding, let's bring everything together and close with guidance meant to support strength and comfort for years ahead. After 60, your body doesn't need extreme changes to improve. It needs small, precise signals repeated consistently over time. 5 grams may sound insignificant, but in an aging body, precision often matters more than quantity. Reducing inflammation creates the foundation for everything else to work better. When inflammation calms, fat loss becomes possible without stress or deprivation. And when inflammation is controlled, muscles can finally receive and respond to maintenance signals. None of these tools are miracles on their own. Their power comes from being used gently, correctly, and consistently. You don't need to chase trends or overload your system with supplements. You need habits your body can understand and sustain. If one of these options stood out to you, let me know in the comments which one you're curious about. Share this video with someone over 60 who wants to feel stronger without pushing their body too hard. If you haven't already, subscribe to Dr. John's Senior Health for calm, science-based guidance you can trust. Together, we focus on staying independent, steady, and confident at every age. And until the next video, may your body feel lighter, your strength stay steady, and your days stay well balanced.